Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying model and button type, because actions differ for mechanical versus solid-state buttons. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if needed. Next, clean around the home button gently with a lint-free cloth and a 50/50 isopropyl solution on the cloth, not directly on the phone. Power cycle the device now, and then press the home button slowly to test basic response before changing settings. Now you go into Settings and open Accessibility, then Home button, to adjust click speed and sensitivity so the physical feel matches your press. After that, check Touch ID under Settings, right arrow Touch ID and Passcode. Re-enroll fingerprints if recognition is inconsistent, because fingerprint data can degrade. If the button still misbehaves, enable Assistive Touch and map single, double, and long press functions to match your habits, and test each mapping. This gives a software fallback while you decide on repairs. Finish by testing every action multiple times: single press, double press, long press, and Touch ID unlock. Consistency indicates success. If intermittent problems persist, restore iOS from your backup and retest, because software corruption can mimic hardware faults. If the home button still fails after a restore, make an appointment with Apple or an authorized repair shop. Meanwhile, keep Assistive Touch enabled as a reliable workaround. One troubleshooting tip: if the button sticks, power off, clean, and test again before pursuing service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.